Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. The secret to success is all about preparation. So tell me what's in your bento box.
I packed a large salad for two and three different types of sushi rolls. Yum! And some fruit and chocolate for snacks. I love the carrying case and the extra side pocket for your chopsticks or other utensils. I really love being able to carry a well-prepared meal for two in this beautiful set. It helps me to be organized and detailed in which food groups I choose and prepare. I got so many compliments on it too. You can just imagine. Look how beautiful this is. These containers are amazing. They are totally sealed and they are locked together tightly. I love lots of salad and I was able to fit almost a whole bag of spring mix salad in the bottom one. These are fabulous with different colors to choose from as a gift for a friend or a great addition to my lunch routine.
So find your favorite color and dress up your lunch in style with ZZQ Bento Box. We love them, we highly recommend them, and that's just my point of view.